Alright, this will be the elevators at some parking garage. Looks like they're empty. Oh boy. Crap, are they hydro? That's disappointing. And they're not even scenic? Ooh, actually these might be Westinghouse though. No. Actually, I don't know. What the fuck? I did not even press 1. Okay, that's so weird. Weird. Okay then. Huh. Alright, let's get a cab view. Hold up. Okay, that was so weird. It just like pressed it for me. Alright, let's head up. Whoa. Whew, these are death trappy. This thing's a theme park ride. There's outside, there's the Westin. That place has ThyssenKrupp. Alright, let's head back down. Interesting cart. Dover Blue and a Schindler elevator. Alright then. Sounds like a train. It's actually pretty fast for a hydro. Whew. All right. Yep, definitely Westie. It's an interesting sign. And that's it.